Hello, thanks for tuning in. As a CEO, I need some way of strategically planning the direction of the organization. And user experience is one of our top things. If anyone's ever used SAP, it's can sort of be that sort of the bar isn't very high, let's say, for enterprise software user experience. And we're going for something that employees actually love. And the thing is that when employees actually love using your corporate software, uh, you can actually collect all these kind of really cool analytics. So we're unlocking something that's kind of similar to Google Analytics, but internally within an organization. So for myself, this is the key result. So what these are going to be goals that get delegated. We can add delegates. Pack llamas are AI. What happens is, so then everybody ranks each one of these key results or goals for impact, effort, and urgency. And then we can distribute that to stakeholders. And when we do that, as I've delegated this to myself, I then get a goal gets automatically set, where then myself as the goal owner sets the impact, effort, and urgency. And then we can compare how these two levels sort of cascade throughout the organization. We don't just cascade vertically, we also cascade horizontally. So how that works is that we then have a task manager. So then I can have interdepending tasks. For example, these are coming from different corporate objectives. This is just my to-do list, which can then get associated back up to the strategic plan. So priority becomes the common language throughout the organization of what's actually the most important according to the strategic plan. And then the AI buzz is, we have something called Pack Llama. So this is based on the Llama 3.2 model, which has been optimized to run locally on end user hardware. It's not going to any cloud services. This is a private chat. So the idea here is then we can then tie this into all of this local context that we build. And with that local context, we feed that into each user's own Pack Llama. So not only do we get the primary analytics through impact, effort, and urgency, you also get, of course, get just out of the box generative AI. That's what we're up to. We'll be at Web Summit here at the end of the month. We'll have a booth one of these days yet. I'll be pitching on Friday at 3 o'clock. Feel free to stop by stage 6 and see everybody there.